the order flow. So you hear me a lot of times talking about the order flow and comparing it with your traditional candlestick charts and saying that supply and resistance is not important. Well, that's not what I mean. What I mean is when you trade traditional charts alone, that's a problem. That's where you're not getting the full information. But when you're combining it with the order flow, that's where you get the real edge of the market. So every trader should have levels they look for when trading a market. You need to determine if other traders are coming to the market to push or defend the price level that you're looking at. So you should always mark certain price levels and see how the price is going to behave once it reaches those levels. It can keep going up, go down, reverse, or do whatever is planned according to the supply and demand that happens once the price reaches the level. So if you are coming into a resistance level, for example, and we see buying volume slowing down, or coming into a support level and we see selling volume slowing down, this is a good indication that the price may be reversing soon. So here we can see the price keep going up with a lot of imbalances happening all the way up. But once we reach the top, we have this. Well, this is a special scenario, okay? Because as you can see, we have absorption that happened here. So you can see a lot of buy orders that got absorbed, and then major selling pressure occurred when the price went down. Also, we can see an imbalance at the top here. The market went down, quick correction, then gave us the second price went to the same resistance level, and then immediately went down. So you can see how buying volume changed. And here we have a max delta that was 509, it went to become minus 423. So you can see how the price reversed. We went up to this level again, same thing, minus 485 to 371 in the same candle. So it slowed down and also became weak. That's when the price reversed. So this is a good signal that the price may be reversing soon. This is something you need to be looking for when trading order flow and when you reach certain levels, okay? So other thing might happen too is when you might see buying volume getting stronger as we reach the resistance zone. We usually need effort to break through resistance, so this will be usually shown by aggressive market participant. So as you can see, this is the resistance. First time we hit it, second time, third time we keep going up. So basically we had major buying force that made the price keep continuing and keep going up, not stopping at the resistance zone. So yes, this would be shown in the order flow with stacked imbalances, big imbalance numbers, and also with your delta and max delta. So what you should do is you draw your lines in support and resistance level and see how price react when it gets there. If momentum is still there, look for an entry. If movement is getting weaker, suspect a reversal that's going to happen, and this is where you're going to take your order exactly for a setup like this one. So thank you guys, this was a short video where I explained how to use support and resistance with your order flow, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye, and let me know if you have any questions. So thank you for your support.